This is the RGB controller of the LED strip, and allegedly it needs a 12-volt input, and it can output 5 amps max. That's 60 watts. Somewhere I read it can do much more, like 72, but yeah, that's what it says on the box. I want to take it apart and see how it works and measure some voltages maybe. So it's turned on, and it just snaps open. This is the plate that holds the plug, so when you plug it in, it doesn't go in. I mean, the circuit board doesn't go in. So this holds the plug. Yeah, some burn marks here, no problem. And here is the board. This I can't really tell. Oh, it's heating up quite nicely. What is heating up here? The resistor? I can't tell, but it's hot. Whatever. So I can't read what this chip is. It's almost like it's erased. So it's defective or something, or barely working, and they put it in a product in China. So yeah. So basically the theory is that this should be the negative. The positive 12 volts from the plug goes to the black wire. So this one goes to all the colors on the LED strip. And then these transistors or whatever, thyristors, whatever, they switch or regulate the voltage or something they do on the 3 separate colors. So the brightness of the LEDs or even the color is different. So these control the color and brightness. In theory, I never measured it, I never looked it up online, I was never interested in RGB, so this is my first time to see. So yeah, now it's set to maximum brightness and red. So let's measure something on the red. 12 volts. Here's the multimeter, so whatever this thing. And let's measure something. So 20 volts. And let's see if this in fact is the positive. Yes. So if it shows up with a minus sign and I point the black what do you call it, probe to the positive, then yeah, if I point the red there, then it's 12 volts. Okay, so the positive goes to the black wire, which is quite unusual, but okay. And then let me switch it back like that. Then the negative, which is this one, this goes through the, where does it go? It goes to the upper here, to the little transistor's leg right there, and to the other ones. Yeah, Does it go directly? It comes somewhere here. Okay, let's measure it. So the red is on maximum. Let's see. Nothing there. 6 volts on this. 5 volts on this. Nothing on the red. What? So here are 12 volts. Am I measuring this right? Oh, I have to measure against... Yeah, I'm stupid. So the... between the black and the colors. Yeah, I'm stupid. So that's the positive and these are the negatives. And let's see. The green is not turned on. With 1 volt it's nothing. The red is turned on all the way. So 12 volts. And the blue is under 1 volt. So let's decrease the brightness. Let's see what happens to the voltage. 1 step down. And it's at 6 volts. What? This is strange. That means... Let me just see. So there are 3 LEDs of each color on one module with a resistor. So if the voltage decreased from 12 to 6, then that's maybe 1 volt per LED. Let's see further how much, because there are much more, 3 more levels of brightness. Let's go 1 down. Let's go all the way down when it's barely visible. So let's see. Positive there and the red. 1 volt. What? Now the blue is on. This makes no sense. Let's go up to a reasonable level. We were at maximum and 1 below that. Maybe 1 more. So now it's 3.4 volts. Interesting. So now divided by 3, 1 LED is getting maybe 1 volt. That doesn't seem right. Whatever, I will read up on it. But for now I just wanted to make sure if this controller burns, I can still use the LEDs. So they are perfectly fine with me supplying 12 volts directly into the colors directly. So I can even have a mechanical switch. I can have a switch that can turn on and off all the 3 colors, and it would still work perfectly fine at the maximum brightness level. So that's interesting. That's all I wanted to know, because this control is really crappy and it will burn sometime soon because it's really crappy. It's already heating up here. Maybe 50 degrees. That's not so bad. But yeah, it's heating up. Okay, so I learned something today. So this chip is the remote that handles the signals coming from the remote, and then it controls the 3 gates or whatever transistors to give higher or lower voltage to the different colors. So yeah, this was kind of nice. Finally I know how this works. I will have to look up different systems because not everybody is making this cheap Chinese stuff. Maybe there are more advanced systems on the market. But yeah, this one is really simple. Really, really simple. And there's room for one more chip, maybe to increase the capacity, to double the capacity or something. Because I see no leads going anywhere else. These are all in the same place, so... Oh, and these are connected together. That is not good. Maybe they can't be used for anything. They just use the same circuit board. Okay. So long story short, you can put 12 volts directly into the LED strip and the appropriate colors will light up. If you give 12 volts to all of them, then all of them will light up in a white color or whatever they call it. It's not really white, but all the colors together. Yeah, that's about it.